Well, we're up here in the Twin Cities. We got Slick's 2 bikes here. He's gonna do some riding today. So Brett invited us up. He comes up here and rides with these guys up here. So this is a pretty cool lot. I'm excited to be here. Should be a good day. Yeah, now this is Slick's day. He's got to perform, so we got to keep our eyes on him.
Find somewhere to park.
I'm excited about it too.
Don't let it start now. You got a man just to build this part out. Don't pretend that it ain't your heart out. Let it live just to get this far now. Just pretend that it ain't this hard.
Well, so we put this new pipe on the bike and different cams in it, and then I didn't really have a bunch of time to do a proper tune on it, and it was fine. And then yesterday, at the end of the day, I thought it would be a good idea to put it on the dyno, and I don't know. I think I was a little rushed on time, right? And anyways, it's just not running exactly right. So I got my laptop out. I'm just gonna make some changes to the ECM, get it dialed in for Slick a little better. It's Sunday, right? Like, we've been busting butt all week and work Saturday and whatever, and just gonna go out and have some fun and whatever. Not everything's always taken care of.
Turns into work, right?
It turns into work, right? I was like, okay. So I was like, today is Slick's day. He's gonna ride. It's all Slick. I'm gonna sit here and watch everybody do stunts and have fun. And I've already had to fix his dyna, and then now I'm working on his bagger tune. So, yeah, that's funny. I'm always working, I guess, which is fine. It's fun. Are you teasing me about that? Oh my God.
feel my hand.
I think we're wrapping up the day, and yeah, had a lot of fun. This is a really cool place here, and Slick got some time on both bikes, which is good, and worked some bugs out of the bagger and got some suspension setup dialed in. So,
Which, by the way, the last time it was like perfect.
yeah,
It's unfortunate that by the time it was perfect, I couldn't feel my arms, but
right. So we made a lot of adjustment today, actually. Like, we started the day with the suspension really soft, just so, well, that's how we had it set up, right? There really wasn't a plan, but after the build, this is where we had it. And then we stiffened it way up, and then we came back down, and then we kind of settled in here on our final adjustment, but we spent a bunch of time getting that dialed in, and that's important because your scrapes were getting better,
Yeah,
right? You
yeah.
had more control.
as I was getting tired too, so
Yeah.
that kind of says something, you know.
Yeah, right? Good, yeah. So
Well,
anyways,
it's a whole new bike, and kind of, I was talking to the guys earlier, and like doing the tricks that I can do on that bike, on this bike, it's like relearning how to do them because everything's different. You know, if you want to move your feet around, you have to swing them wider to go around the bags, or jumping from the foot pegs up to the seat is a farther distance. It's all just way different.
all right, well, I guess the battery died there, but we're gonna wrap things up here for the day. It was an awesome experience up here with all these bikes and all the people, and they're fortunate they have the place like this to do this in. So it was a great time today, but we're gonna wrap things up and get back to the shop because there's work to do tomorrow morning. So we gotta keep cranking out some cool stuff. So subscribe to our channel and follow along for what's next at Nowaskey.